Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Well, I just want to tell you guys about the 3 times that I heard some quite interesting cables here, some threaded cables, which are actually illegal, from a circuit breaker to the wall socket that was feeding the hi-fi gear, and it was with Oyed, Cardes, and Nordost, and I just find it amazing how much it lifts the sound, especially on good equipment. It won't do a huge difference on normal piece of gear. But I was surprised listening to the difference in flow that it just was more fine. Micro detail was there a bit more, and there wasn't quite this this forcing of the sound and firing it towards you. It's almost like the fineness of the thread somehow bring out the small details in the sound a bit more, so it wasn't so generalized and flat in sound and like shot out towards you. So when you're turning up the volume, it doesn't go like dum 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 dum. It goes like so it has this like almost blossoming flow. I mean, yeah, it didn't have quite the same oomph and power control, so it was like losing some watts. It felt a bit like that, but it felt like still felt like the quality of watts were somehow better, and I kind of missed that. I wish I could do that at home and connect that, because that would just sound so awesome with an Oyed SW-XXXE plug. That would sound so awesome. And I even listened to some pretty types of cables that I'm not really crazy about. You know, the Tsunami cable, I'm not so crazy about that. I think it's a bit heavy and stiff and mechanical in sound, but it still sounded awesome compared to regular in-wall cable. And the Cardes one, yeah, more warm, more natural. Noticed one, yeah, that guy was just crazy. I think it was some kind of Nordost silver cable. Can't remember what it was, if it was Odin or something like that. That must have cost him like a crazy amount of money, but that was really crazy sound. That was really reactive, really a lot of detail. I don't know how he got to afford that. And that also kind of concerns me a bit. It must be pretty difficult getting that to fit. So yeah, I heard it. It was quite impressive, and yeah, I just wish one day that we could do this, but sadly we can't. We have to follow the rules. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that experience, because I thought it was kind of special, and we kind of take it for granted that, you know, in-wall cable, we just use in-wall cable because it's legal. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you about my experience trying it at 3 different friends' places, and it was quite an experience, a positive experience. But yeah, maybe someday in the future that'll be legal. Let's hope it will be legal and safe. So, but for now, we have to settle with our in-wall solid core cables. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that experience, that that there really is a lot more hidden potential in small things like that. You don't really think about that. But yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.